Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Breville that a customer brought in. Instead of operating appropriately, this machine was making a loud buzzing sound. It turns out the solenoid valve assembly needed to be replaced and was subsequently replaced. And now it operates just fine. Let's make a shot. If you like these videos, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. And thank you to all of our customers for bringing in their machines. We enjoy working on them and giving you good coffee. There it is. Thanks for watching, everybody.